Welcome to our channel. Activating an expense card at an ATM is possible with some cards, though many require online or phone activation first. Step 1. Check your expense card. Welcome materials to see if ATM activation is an available option for your specific card. Step 2. If ATM activation is supported, locate an ATM in your bank's network or your employer's approved ATM network. Step 3. Bring your new expense card and the PIN provided by your employer or card issuer. Step 4. Insert your expense card into the ATM card slot as directed by the machine. Step 5. Select your preferred language from the options presented on the ATM screen. Step 6. Enter your personal identification number when prompted by the ATM. Step 7. Look for an activation option in the main menu. This may be labeled Activate Card or First Time Use. Step 8. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process at the ATM. Step 9. Perform a balance inquiry or mini statement to verify the card is working and check your available expense limit. Step 10. Complete your transaction and wait for the ATM to return your card. Remember to take it. Step 11. If the ATM doesn't offer activation, visit your card issuer's website or call the activation number to activate online or by phone. Your expense card should now be active and ready for approved business purchases. Keep receipts for all transactions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.